So here we have the Acorn Atom remake. I currently put in a program that starts to poke 00 into screen memory starting at 8000 hex and goes to A000 hex. Okay, so I'm going to run the program. I had to type it in blindly. Now I'm going to run it. R-U-N. Okay, and running. Okay, and I think the program finished because I just typed like H and then enter and you hear the error beep. Now if I type clear 4, enter, it goes into graphics mode, and if I run it, enter, you can see it's trying to clear the screen, but not quite. So it's like the timing is off, and I believe the program stopped running. I'm just going to hit like any letter. Yeah, okay, and we're back to this. So yeah, that's the issue. It's a very strange issue. I haven't started to do any troubleshooting yet. I'll be pulling up some chips to see if I have any bent pins, because the computer does respond. It's just the video RAM doesn't seem to update what the computer wants it to have. Okay, bye.